Hello, this is Abdelrahman Moussa, certified Odoo functional consultant and trainer. Today we are going to do a demo on Odoo version 16, including the following modules: CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, and accounting. So starting with the CRM, let's jump into Odoo. Let's go into the CRM module. So the CRM is the customer relationships management. So first, let's jump into contacts in the CRM, sorry. If you click on sales, customers, I can access the customers, or I can simply going from the main screen on contacts module. All right. So let's go back on to the CRM. Click on sales, customers. Let's create a new customer. Okay. Let's say customer number 1. Okay. City, let's say Dubai. Country, United Arab Emirates. Phone 971123, whatever. CEO, the job position, and I can enter all other information. Okay, other information, as well as an image for this customer. So let's click on save, and we created the customer. All right, let's go back. I can display any view in Odoo by Kanban view like this, or by list view like this. Okay, so let's go back to the Kanban view. This is our new customer, or our contact, let's say. So now let's go to the to create a new lead or opportunity. Okay, so by going to sales or the CRM, okay, new. Now we are creating a new opportunity. Okay, so someone contacted me and he is interested in purchasing 8 products of X products from me. Okay, 8 units of X product from me. So let's say contact number 1. Okay, I can click on create or create another. Let's click on create contact. Okay, so automatically Odoo names the opportunity by the contact name, then opportunity. Okay, so let's say product 1. Okay, I can adjust it. I can enter the email, the phone, let's say 971. Okay, and also I can choose existing contact in the database, so I can choose the customer number 1 that I selected, that I created before. Okay, so number expected revenue is expected revenue from this opportunity that I expect. So let's say I expect 20,000 dirham from this opportunity, and let's give it a high priority, 3 stars, and click on add. Now we created a new opportunity. So here Odoo calculates the total of the opportunities in the new stage. Okay, if I move it from here to here, I can by the way move the opportunities in the pipeline. Here is the pipeline between the stages by dragging and dropping it. Okay, so we see now the total amount of the opportunities in the qualified leads is 20,000 dirham. Okay, so let's get it back into here, and here is my pipeline. Here are my my stage in the pipeline, new qualified propositions, and 1. I can add a new stage by simply clicking on add button. So let's say post point. Okay, and I click add. So now I created a new stage in the pipeline of the CRM. So now we're done with creating any opportunities pipeline, opportunity stage. So let's jump into my opportunity. Okay, I can create new quotation from this opportunity directly from the opportunity. So let's click on new quotation here. I can create new quotation. The customer, this contact, add product. He is interested in purchasing. Let's say I didn't create any product in my inventory, but let's create a quick product. Product -1. Okay, let's create and add it. Type of product, storable product. Invoicing policy. Sorry, I can choose consumable, so it's consumable product or service or storable product. I will select storable product. Invoicing policies. This is when I create the invoice including this product, so I can invoice the sale when on order the quantities or deliver the quantities. When I choose deliver the quantities, I can't invoice the sale before finish the delivery. So let's stay on order the quantities. I want to remove the VAT. Let's choose the sale price. Let's say 20,000. Okay. The cost is 10,000. Okay, dirham. I can jump into sales. There is many options. We will talk on about them later on. Purchase. I can choose a default vendor for this product. So when I want to purchase it, I can pick a vendor by default from this list. So let's create a quick vendor from here. Let's say vendor 1. Okay, let's create an edit. Let's enter a quick number informations, save and close. So here I listed a default vendor for this product. Alright, inventory as well, we have many informations, accounting, so I can select income account and expense account and other information. So I will click on save and close. So now I created a new product. I want to order send a quotation of 5 units from this product. You see the total is the units versus quantity. So I have 100,000 in total. So you see here is a red icon. If we click on it, we see the available quantity from this product is 0 units. Okay, so the system warning me that I don't have enough stock. Let's click on confirm the order on saving the quotation. Sorry. Okay, so now I created a new quotation. It's on quotation stage. Okay. So if you go back to the pipeline, let's see our presentation. So we're done with quotation, with the quotation. Let's jump into sales team. There is a good feature in Odoo CRM that there is something called sales teams. Okay, so I can create a sales team for each country. Let's say I want to create a new sales team for let's say Qatar. Sale team. Okay, no need for dashes here. Okay, I can pick a team leader. Now I have only one user in the system, which is me. And I click on save. So in my opportunity, I can assign a where oh sorry, in my quotations I can assign a sales team as well as salesperson. Here we have the Qatar sales team. Okay, so I can click on sales. Let's go back into the CRM. Another feature in the CRM that I can create and schedule activities. So if I go on and hover and click on the clock icon here, I can schedule an activity. So let's say I want to call this opportunity tomorrow. Let's click on schedule an activity. I pick the activity type. Let's say call. Let's say first call. Okay, tomorrow. I can assign it to any employee. So now I will assign it to myself and click on save. So you see here appears a phone icon indicating that I have a call activity for this opportunity. And if I click here on the clock icon on the top, I can see a lead opportunity, a lead activity related to a lead or opportunity in the future. If I click on here, I can see all my activities here. Okay, so I have to call this opportunity tomorrow. All right, so I can jump here, click on here, and click on mark as done. Okay, by the way, here I am in the opportunity. Okay, on the right of every record in Odoo there is a log. Okay, in the log we can see all the history of this record, when I created this opportunity, when I changed the stage, and also the activity. So let's say I want to mark it as done. Very good. Let's write my note. I can done and schedule next activity. Let's say I want to mark it as done only. So I can move between pipeline stages from here as well, or if I go back to my pipeline, I can move it by simply dragging and dropping between the pipeline stages. Okay, so we're done with the activity schedule and tracking. Let's go to the reporting activities. I can browse activities by month, by salesperson, by sales team, by stage. Okay, I can assign by creation date. All right. Also, I can see the report of the leads. Okay, I can browse it by pivot. Let's say in September also I can browse my leads with grouping by salesperson, sales team, customer, campaign, stage. Let's say I want to browse by salesperson. I have one lead for administrator. Let's say by stages. I have one lead in proposition stage for the administrator. So I can also export the report leads analysis. Also, I can export any view in the Odoo. Let's go back to my pipeline. If I click on the list view, I can export as Excel or PDF. If I click on, or I can export all the leads or only one lead by simply selecting it. So we're done with the CRM. Very easy, very friendly user interface, nothing complicated at all. So now we are moving to the sales module. Okay, so if we go back to the sales, to the main screen of Odoo, there is a sales module. Okay, if I click on it, in the sales we can there is a view for the quotations. I created this quotation before, right? Previously. So from here directly I can go to the orders and create a new order directly, or by simply creating a quotation, then the quotation I can confirm it. So when I confirm a quotation, it will become a sale order. So I already created a quotation for this contact. So if I click on confirm, it will be converted directly to a sale order. Okay. So let's jump into it and click on confirm. I can create an invoice or send a pro forma invoice for this contact. But first, let me jump into settings and enable the pro forma invoice. Okay, if I okay, let's activate it and save. Okay, so if we go back to the sales and click on this sale, I can send a pro forma invoice. So let's send a pro forma invoice. So here is my the email template for the pro forma invoice. I can send it by email. I can see the pro forma invoice attached in the email. Let's open it. Okay, so here we go. We can see the pro forma invoice here: salesperson, order date, description, quantity, amount, and the information about the company. So if we go back, I can click on send. It will be sent on email. Of course, I can edit this template. I will click on cancel. So if we go to the inventory, and I go to operations replenishment, so since I created a sale order from this product, all right, and I don't have enough stock from this, a replenishment operation will be automatically created here in the operations in the inventory. All right, 5 items from this product. All right, so I can simply click on this icon, order once. Okay, the following replenishment order has been generated. When I click on order once, a purchase order including 5 items of this product will be automatically created. Alright, so if we jump into the purchase model, okay, I can see a new purchase order. Okay, from this product, including 5 products, 5 items of this product. Alright, but since I didn't recorded purchase price from this vendor, it will be 0. So I can choose the unit price that I want to purchase. Let's say 500 dirham. Okay, so here is the purchase order. So if I click on confirm order, okay, I will click on save right now. If I go to the inventory and click on products and jump into this product, I can see I have 0 units in hand and minus 5 units forecasted because I have a sale order from this, but I don't have enough stock. So if we go back to the purchase and click on this purchase order, confirm the order. Okay, I will receive after validating, when confirming the purchase order, an automated receipt order will be generated. Okay, so let's click on receive products. Okay, I demanded 5. Let's say I received 5. Okay, and validate. Okay, so it's done. If we go back to the purchase order, now I can create a bill for the vendor and confirm this bill. Sorry, I pick bill date, confirm this bill, and register payment, bank, this full payment, create payment. Alright, of course I can divide the payments and set payment terms and other, but now we can dive deeply in each module for the time of the video. So now if we go back into products, okay, and see the product here, I can see I have 5 units of this product. Okay, so let's go back and continue with the sales. Okay, this sale order, let's go to the delivery order from this. Okay, and click on validate. So here is a warning: you have not recorded done quantities yet. By clicking on apply, Odoo will process all the quantities. I didn't record that I delivered 5 items, so Odoo asking me if he will process all the quantities. I click on apply. Okay, confirm. Okay, so it's 5 unit delivered. Okay, so if we go back on the sale, I can create invoice now and create a new invoice. Okay, confirm the invoice, then register a payment. Let's say I want to register half of the amount. Okay, automatically Odoo catch the difference. So he is asking me if I want to keep it open or not as fully paid. Of course I will choose keep open. Create payment. Now it's partially paid. Okay, the amount due is 50,000 AED. Let's print this invoice. Alright, so I print the invoice. I can see all invoiced items. Product 1, 5 unit price, VAT, I don't record any VAT, amount total paid on, amount due, this. Let's register another payment with the due amount, create payment. Now it's in payment. Alright, let's click on print invoice and browse it. You can see now paid on, its amount due 0. Okay, so to recap, I created from the CRM an opportunity. From this opportunity I created a quotation. Okay, the quotation is confirmed as sale order. So this sale order created from the opportunity. Alright, so after that the system catches that I didn't have enough stock in the inventory warehouse, so the system generated a replenishment operation here. Okay, so but it's not done, but it's now it's done, so it's not recorded here. Alright, so after that I purchased the product from the vendor. Okay, I received the product and I created a bill and I registered a payment for this vendor. After that I delivered the items, I created the invoice and I registered the payments. Okay, so simple. If we go to the inventory, I can and go to the products and click on here, I can see 0 on hand because I purchased 5 and sold 5. Okay, I can see the product traceability here. The product moves. If we click on it, I have first one, I purchased 5 items. Okay, from the partner vendor to the warehouse. Later from the warehouse to the partner customer I sold 5. So now it's 5 is 0 stock from this item. I can update the quantity on hand manually, so I can simply click on here, update the quantity. Let's quantity on hand, let's say 50, apply. Alright, so now I have 50 units on hand. Alright, and automatically the system record a new inventory move for this product from virtual location to the inventory adjust, from virtual location to the warehouse stock. Of course, if I go to the configuration warehouses, I can create multiple warehouses. So let's say I want okay, let's say I want to create a warehouse KSA. Okay, okay, on Saudi Arabia. Save. Let's create another warehouse. Let's say warehouse UAE. Alright, save. So let's say I want to purchase 10 items from this product. Let's go to the inventory product. Let's say I want to purchase 10 items from this product, and I want to put them directly in the warehouse Saudi Arabia. Let's go to the purchase, I can create new request for quotation, then confirm it into become purchase order, or I can simply go to purchase order and click on new. Let's say vendor 1, product 1, 10 quantity, 10 items, price let's say at 400 dirham. Let's remove the tax. Alright, and confirm the order. So automatically a receipt order generated. Let's click on receive products. A destination, I can pick the destination here, warehouse Saudi Arabia. Okay, done 10. Okay, and validate. So now I received 10 items from this product in the warehouse of Saudi Arabia. Let's go back into the purchase order, create a bill, confirm the bill. Alright, sorry, confirm the bill, then register the payment. Alright, full payment, create payment, also payment. Alright, so if I go to the products, or I can simply go to the product from here. Okay, I can see I have 60 units on hand. Okay, moves, I can see the product move. Alright, let's go into inventory and operation, inventory adjustment. I can see all the inventory adjustment from here. Alright, what else? I can see the moves history reporting. Okay, so first of all, I purchased 5 items, I sold 5 items, then I updated manually the quantity updated, virtual location, warehouse 50, and then updated I purchased 10 items, the last purchase order. Okay, so I can go to operations, inventory adjustment. Let's go to the operations, transfers, create new transfer. Let's say sorry, inventory adjustment, replenishment, transfer. Wait. Operation type, so source, location, warehouse, destination, warehouse Saudi Arabia. Let's pick the product. Okay, so I'm moving 10 products from this 10 items of this product from warehouse to warehouse Saudi Arabia. Let's mark as sorry, let's show the operation Saudi Arabia, mark as to do. Okay, validate. Okay, so now, so here I'm the transfers, in operations transfers, I can see this transfer from operation type Saudi Arabia, destination to warehouse Saudi Arabia stock. Alright, So I can see the reporting of by locations. Okay, I can see the product moves here, also moves history by product, also stock from of each item. Product 1 I have unit cost 10,000 total value on hand, and other information related to the inventory. If I click on overview, I can see the receipts, the internal transfer that to process that pending. Okay, so that's it. We created the lead in the CRM, then the sale order, purchase order, inventory adjustments, pro forma invoices, and also I can attach for each. Let's go to the invoices. Let's click on this invoice. I can see the attachment of each document in Odoo. Also, I can attach any type of files in any record. So let's say I want to this sale, okay, this order. I want to attach the invoice here. Okay, I can click on and attach the invoice. Okay, so it's here attached. Okay, or I want to go to the contacts and attach with this vendor. Okay, let's say I want to attach his passport. Okay, open. So here is attached with this vendor, and also I can see for this vendor or any contact how much purchase, how much vendor bills, sales, opportunities, and other. So let's jump into accounting. Okay, from accounting I can access all accounting reports by going to first I want to access the journal entries. I can see all the journal entries here. If I have created a journal item, a journal entry by mistake, I can simply select it and action, click on reverse. So a reverse journal entry will be created automatically from this invoice for this entry, or I can click on the entry and reset it to draft. Alright, so I also can access the journal items, which are the elements of the journal entries, as well as I can group the entries by journal, by partner, by account, or by partner. Right, I can go to reporting. I have the balance sheet report. Alright, I also have the P&L report, profit and loss, sales, revenue, expenses. I have also the tax report. Alright, but I didn't record tax as I remember. I have also all required accounting info reports, general ledger. I have also the trial balance. Also, I can print any report in PDF. Let's say the partner ledger. I want to go to partner ledger. I can click on PDF. Simply, easy, nothing complicated at all. I can see the partner ledger as PDF. I also have the age payable, the age receivable. I also have the invoice analysis. I can access the invoices or the bills directly from here. Also the invoices, right? I can access the dashboard from here. So everything related to the accounting will you find here. All the reporting any accountant needs will find here. So that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching the full video. See you later.